Finding the right mini dessert maker isn't as easy as it looks, especially with so many compact appliances promising quick treats, easy cleanup, and endless variety. Between waffle makers, donut machines, and multi-plate systems, the real difference often comes down to ease of use, consistency, and how fun they actually are in everyday life. That's why I tested and compared the most popular mini dessert makers to see which ones are really worth it. Whether you want quick breakfasts, playful snacks, or simple homemade treats without turning your kitchen into a bakery. In the third, after testing the Baker's Friend 4-in-1 mini waffle maker in everyday kitchen conditions, this compact appliance quickly proved to be a fun and versatile option for quick breakfasts and snacks. The removable plates are the real highlight because they allow you to switch easily between classic mini waffles, pancakes, heart-shaped waffles, and mini donuts, which makes it especially enjoyable for families, couples, or anyone who likes variety without owning multiple appliances. During my tests, the machine heated up fast and was ready to use in just a few minutes, and most waffles and pancakes cooked evenly with a nice golden finish when the batter amount was well adjusted. The non-stick coating works well, making food release easy and cleanup almost effortless, especially since the plates can be removed and placed in the dishwasher. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even travel, as it takes up very little counter or storage space. That said, there are a few drawbacks worth noting after real use. Because of its small size and single-serving format, it is not ideal for making large batches, which means cooking can feel slow if you're serving several people. Heat distribution can be slightly uneven at times, and I noticed that the top plate sometimes cooks a bit less than the bottom, requiring attention to timing. The lack of adjustable temperature control also means you need a bit of trial and error to avoid undercooking or overcooking certain recipes, especially donuts. Additionally, the exterior can get quite hot during use, so care is needed when handling it. In conclusion, after testing it myself, I see the Baker's Friend 4-in-1 mini waffle maker as a great budget-friendly and space-saving choice for occasional use and creative breakfasts. It delivers versatility, ease of cleaning, and fast results, and while it has limitations in capacity and precision, these are reasonable trade-offs for its compact size and affordable price. If you want a simple, fun appliance for quick homemade treats rather than high-volume cooking, this mini waffle maker does exactly what it promises. Secondly, after testing the Star Blue 3-in-1 mini donuts, mini pie, and taiyaki maker in everyday kitchen conditions, this appliance clearly stands out for its originality and fun factor. The interchangeable plates allow you to make mini donuts, small pies or quiches, and Japanese fish-shaped taiyaki, which makes it a very entertaining option for families, kids, or anyone who enjoys creative desserts at home. During my tests, the machine heated up quickly and cooked most recipes evenly when the batter and filling quantities were well balanced. The non-stick coating works well, allowing the desserts to release easily without breaking, and cleanup is simple thanks to the detachable plates. I also appreciated the compact size and cool touch exterior, which make it easy to store and safer to use, especially in smaller kitchens or with children around. That said, there are several drawbacks worth mentioning after real use. The cooking capacity is quite small, so it is not ideal if you want to prepare desserts for a group, as each batch takes time and patience. Heat distribution can be inconsistent, especially with thicker batters or filled pies, sometimes requiring extra attention or flipping to avoid undercooked centers. Build quality feels average, and while it performs well initially, I can understand durability concerns reported by some users if used very frequently. The appliance also lacks temperature control, so results depend heavily on timing and recipe adjustments, which may frustrate users looking for precision. In conclusion, after testing it myself, I see the Star Blue 3-in-1 dessert maker as a fun, compact, and creative appliance best suited for occasional use and small households. It delivers variety and ease of cleaning, and while it has clear limitations in capacity, consistency, and long-term durability, these are acceptable trade-offs for its affordable price and versatility. If your goal is to enjoy playful homemade desserts rather than produce large quantities with professional precision, this machine does exactly. And to finish, first of all, after testing the Dash Multimaker Treat Maker system in real kitchen conditions, this model clearly stands out as the most polished and user-friendly option of the group. From the first use, the interchangeable plate system feels well-designed and intuitive, making it quick to switch between mini donuts, cupcakes, and heart-shaped waffles without hassle. During my tests, the machine heated evenly and cooked treats consistently, delivering soft centers and lightly golden exteriors without the need for constant monitoring. The non-stick aluminum plates perform very well, allowing easy food release and fast cleanup, especially since the plates are dishwasher safe, which makes everyday use far more convenient. Its compact size fits easily on the countertop without taking over the kitchen, and the overall build quality feels solid and reliable compared to similar dessert makers. That said, there are still a few drawbacks to consider. The capacity is limited to small batches, so it is not ideal if you plan to prepare desserts for larger groups or parties in one go. There is no temperature control, meaning you rely on timing and recipe adjustments to avoid overcooking or undercooking certain batters. While the design is fun and attractive, the price is slightly higher than simpler mini makers, which may not feel justified for users who only plan to use it occasionally. Additionally, because the portions are small, it may not satisfy those looking for larger, bakery-style treats. In conclusion, after testing it myself, I see the Dash Multimaker Treat Maker system as the best overall choice for users who want ease of use, reliable results, and versatility in a compact appliance. It delivers consistent performance, simple cleaning, and thoughtful design, and while it has limitations in batch size and control, these are reasonable trade-offs for its convenience and quality. If you value simplicity, family-friendly fun, and dependable results, this model earns its spot at the top. To conclude this top 3, it all comes down to how you plan to use your mini dessert maker and how much versatility you really need. Some models focus on simplicity and quick results, while others offer more interchangeable plates and creative options for families and dessert lovers. By choosing a machine that matches your habits, your kitchen space, and your expectations, you'll get more enjoyment out of it and turn a fun gadget into something you actually use regularly rather than. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.